And now that we're done with the About Me page, it is time to design a tutorial page. Now in this tutorial page, we're going to be having the same header that we had in the About Me page, and we're also going to be having videos in this page. YouTube videos in which people can just click and it directs them to YouTube, or they could basically watch it right on your website. So let's see how we can put a video into our web page. Let's do that. So now let's work on the next page, which is going to be the tutorial page. Let's go back to the menu and you can see we have tutorial. So in this tutorial page, we want to have this kind of section there, and also some videos where people can watch tutorials on the website. So that is what we want to do. We have a section that has YouTube videos for people to watch. All right. So now to do that, let's go back to the back end. Remember, we need to go to, all right. So before we go, let's publish our website. Always remember to publish your website to make it live. And now let's go back to the back end. So using your URL /wp-admin, I'm going to click OK, and I'll go to pages, and you want to go to tutorials and click on edit, and then edit with Elementor. And now we have a blank page for the tutorial page. So right now we want to import the template we've saved earlier on, and that is supposed to make things faster for us. So instead of creating from scratch, I'll just go to add templates, and I'll go to the templates I saved, and this here is the header section which I have saved, and I'm just going to click on insert and select apply. And now it basically just brings in this about me section which we saved earlier, and I'm just going to change this text to tutorial videos. All right. And now I want to add in a text here. I've just copied the text and I'm just going to paste it right here. So now, without much stress, we are done with the first section of the tutorial page. Next, we want to add some videos here which people can always click and watch. All right, so we're going to link in some YouTube videos right here. And to do that, I'm going to click on add, click on the plus sign, select Flexbox, and because we want this particular section floating to the right, I'm going to select the right direction rule, and now I want to import a container. All right, and in this container I want a video inside of it, so I'm going to go to add element, and you want to come right here where it says video, and you click and drag this video right inside here. Now it looks pretty big. We're going to adjust that. So first I want this video hugging the all sides of the container here. So I'm going to select this container and go to advanced, and I'm going to cancel out the padding. So we have it hugging the whole sides. Now we need some text underneath this video which is describing each of the videos. So I'm going to use an heading. Go to add element, and I'll drag in an heading right here. And let's make this heading 4. We don't want it too big because we are still going to duplicate this video box. All right, and underneath this heading we need a button which people can click, and it will take them also to the video. And I'll just drag in a button here, and I'll change this text to watch video. All right. And now let's add some rounded borders to this video. All right. And to do that, I'm going to come to, so I'm here at the advanced. So just, you have to select the video itself, not the column now. You select the video by selecting this icon, and I'll go to border. And for the border radius, I'll give the border radius of 30. And now we have the rounded corners for the video. And now where we have this heading, I'm just going to copy this text and paste it right here. And yeah, we are good. So now we need 3 of these videos on a roll, right? And to achieve that, I'm going to duplicate this column 2 times so that we have 3 of them. So duplicate once and duplicate um, 2 times. And now we have these videos right here. So um, if you want to add a YouTube video right here, I'm just going to quickly show you how to add a YouTube link to this video so it displays your video, the video you want someone to watch right here. So let's quickly go to YouTube and grab a link on YouTube. And I'm just going to open up a random video right here. And you want to, where it says share, you want to click on share, and you want to copy this link right here. And now let's go back to the page, select this video icon here, select the video itself, and you can see where it says link underneath the content section. I'm going to highlight and delete what we have there before, and I'm going to paste the YouTube URL we had before. And you can see now we have the thumbnail of the video we copied right here from YouTube. So when someone clicks on this video, they get to watch it. Also on this button, we also want this button to direct people to the same video. And to do that, you want to click on the button, and where it says link right here, you want to delete this hashtag here, and you want to paste the same YouTube link there, and voila, that is done. So when someone clicks on this link, they are directed to the YouTube video. So you can always repeat the same steps for the remaining videos, but for the sake of this tutorial, we're pretty much done with the desktop view of the tutorial videos. Now quickly, I'm going to edit the mobile view. So guys, that is the mobile view of the tutorial section, and I'm going to click on publish so that our website goes live. And now let's check our website. I'm going to go to my website and let's check tutorials. And now you can see we have these videos right here. And if you click on it here, you can see it displays the link for the YouTube videos I have just pasted. And if you want to watch it in full screen, you just click on the full screen icon and you just watch it normally like a normal YouTube video. Alright, so that's it for the tutorial section. Let's move on.